stop. I know I said I was going to end the video, but I didn't. Ricardo, I just checked my email. I guess this was 4 hours ago you sent it. Thank you, Chris. You're a great person. Right now I'm downloading your playlist. Smart. Very smart. Look at them all the time then. Don't make money creating apps with Andromo, coronavirus, great design and use activities. Later I will download this complete collection. Very motivated to learn and apply all. I feel blessed. I feel blessed because you're getting value. Okay. Yeah, I think I sent you some earlier. All right, but anyway, yeah, man, you know. But I'm going to tell you this. This is what you need to do, and you ain't did it yet. You need to put that app on Facebook. Make a Facebook app page. How did he know I didn't do that yet? I know. You need to make that. I'm going to tell you how I know. Because you kind of challenged to do it. You don't think you can do it. I got the video to show you how to do it. It's easier than Google Play. So put that app on Facebook. Let me show you some on Facebook. And I wasn't training as of yet, but I feel I got to do it. I'm gonna do a little bit. Parenting teens, the game plan. Okay. Another thing you need to do, Ricardo, you need to make use of all that. I guess they give you 80 characters. Put them keywords in there. Parenting teens. Put some keywords in them titles. Okay, let's try this. Let me show you something. Let's look at something that people in your niche, well, in that niche, parenting teens. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'm back. Okay, now let's take a look here. There you are. You're number 2 there. Let's look at this app. Okay, well, their app is doing something. Okay, we got 10,000 downloads. Okay, nothing too spectacular. I think those are some videos. Let's go back a little bit more. Parenting teens, okay, that's a dad and his son. I'm guessing yours, but I mean, well, wait a minute, back. But yeah, here's a tip right here. What you need to do, okay. I want you to download that app that's number 1 and see what's in that app. Okay, this is called spying. Okay, spy what's in that app. And see if you can put what's in that app in your app. Okay, let's see. Google Family Links. Okay, let's check out Wild Parenting. That's 4 stars. But yeah, download those apps. And that's an old trick Russell Brunson taught me. He would always, when affiliate marketing, he would always find out what they're doing. He would buy their product and find out what's going on with it. Okay. Look at this. So, what I want you to do this for each one of your apps. Download, download an app in your niche. And look at this, parenting, that's keyword, helping parents, another keyword. Amazing kids, another keyword. You need to put some keywords in your titles, okay? Make note of that. Download this app, find out, what they got inside there. And I know you did it. You probably did. But do it again. Okay? All right. Go to Facebook. First of all, make an app. Here's their app page. Use app. Okay? It's probably going to take them to Google Play. It may. Let's find out. Okay, the Apple App Store. Okay, it's on iTunes. Okay, so I get it from Google Play. Right? This is Ninja real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and take. I want you to go to groups. Go to groups. I'm trying to get to the main page in groups. Anyway, I have to go ahead and tell you. I want you to go to groups and find the group. Let's see, parenting. Let's do this. Parenting. Let's go to parenting. All right. Let's search that. Parenting. All right, look at this. Parenting tips. Parenting.com. See all group for parenting. See all groups of parenting. Okay. Bottom line, what I'm telling you to do is, I want you to join these groups. Okay. Join these groups. Okay. If you can, maybe you can, maybe you can't. Post your app link in these groups. That's the bottom line. It's just to shorten it up. Sometimes they allow you, sometimes they won't. But what you can do is go to public groups. Usually the public groups will allow you to do that. Okay? So let's go to public groups. Okay? Discovering groups for parenting. Let's see what else we got. Kid parenting. Okay? Put your app in there. Put your app URL in there. Okay? So that's another tip. Okay? Ricardo, do those tips. You should start to see some results. Okay? And I appreciate the email. I appreciate the kind words, sir. And I'm going to see everyone now in the next video. Or I may just make this 2 different videos. This may be part 2. Okay? So, yeah, same thing for YouTube. Matter of fact, let's go over that real quick. This is how I get a lot of people signed up actually to my courses. Okay? Matter of fact, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. I'm giving you some more secrets. Let's see. All right, now watch this. This is how I get people to sign up to the course. Learn my secrets to creating apps that generate 500. You've seen that before, right? Okay. Copy that. Go to YouTube. Whatever your channel is, go to YouTube. Now in your case, Ricardo, just put the app, put the URL. Matter of fact, put a shortener on it, put a bit.ly on it. Okay? Put a bit.ly on it. And okay, on it. Wow, I just seen this. That's my 3 hours ago. Okay. All right, but anyway, what you're gonna do is, oh, I'm sorry, I'm gonna do that. What I want to do is, okay, what I did was I typed Andromo and with all those videos on Andromo, and I pasted that comment. Let me show you again. Comment. I pasted this whole thing. Okay? Just say for your parenting app. Okay, parenting. Parenting. Okay? That was spell that right? Parenting tips. All right, let's do that. Parenting tips. All this knowledge for free, man. For free. I can charge for this. All right? 10 parenting tips to calm down. What I would do, download that video. Download that video. Don't monetize it, but put a channel. Put that on your channel. Put your link, your app link inside of that video. Okay? Now, here's another thing to do. Okay? Look at that video. And this is Ninja right here. Okay? I want you to scroll down to the comments. That's got 1 million views. In 2017. And see, this is what I be telling you. You're leaving 400% of your money on the table. Who does that? Come on. Doesn't take
Intros.
All right, I want to stop that.
Brightside has good news
I
for
want to
you.
stop that.
You can.
I can even pause it. But you see this comment? Watch this. What you're gonna do is comment. I'm gonna put my link in here anyway. Okay. Put your link to your app. You know, write a little brief description. Okay? Put a brief description. Comment. That'll be at the top. Then go to the next one. Look at this. Okay, well, comment, either one. Reply. Put that link there. Go to all of these. Put a link in there. Okay? Now, I've had this happen one time. Somebody, and it wasn't even their channel. They said, "Why you spamming my man link, my man channel?" I'm like, dude, who are you? This some dude, you know, talking about this other person, this other person's channel. So anyway, that's what you do. Pump those apps up, man. Now with that, I'm gonna say go ahead and like that video, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna see you in the next training.